Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate the Copper Golem. This charming new mob is now a part of the game, offering a unique way to manage your inventory. It acts as a helpful organizer, diligently sorting your items to keep your storage tidy and efficient. Get ready to welcome this little automaton to your world. To bring a Copper Golem to life, simply place a carved pumpkin on top of a copper block. Upon its creation, a special copper chest will also appear. Like other copper items, your golem will gradually oxidize, turning green over time. This process will eventually transform your active golem into a stationary statue. The copper golem's main job is to organize your belongings. It will take items from its copper chest and sort them into other chests that already contain those same items. This little helper can move up to 16 items at once. Even as a statue, it remains useful, as its pose can emit different redstone signals. To prevent your copper golem from fully oxidizing, you can apply honeycomb to wax it, preserving its current stage. If it does become a statue, a few scrapes with an axe will bring it back to life. These statues can also be posed in 4 distinct ways for decoration. Interestingly, iron golems sometimes offer them flowers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.